Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the recent notifications from NIT Silchar about the PhD admission process for the year 2021. So this notification has come out for different branches of engineering, science, management, social science. So the last date will be 2nd July 2021. So we'll check all the details about these notifications. But before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications in the future. And let us see the notifications. So as you can check the notification, NIT, that is the National Institute of Technology Silchar, about the admissions into the PhD program for the session July to December 2021. So let us see the details. Applications are invited for the admission into PhD program in the following departments or the areas of specialization. So there will be two groups, so group A and group B. So we'll check the details in a short while. So let us see what are the department in which the specializations are available. So first one is civil engineering. You can check the details of the topics: hydrology, water resources engineering, optimization methods. So you can check all the topics that are available in this for the civil engineering, and so it is available for both group A and group B. So we'll discuss about this in this video. So the second topic is mechanical engineering. So you can check the details of the mechanical engineering and the topics here. So it is available for both group A and group B category. So electrical engineering, you can check, it is also available for group A and group B. Electronics and communication engineering, you can check the topics, it is for group A and group B. So you can check all the details. So now let us see, it is also available for computer science and engineering. That means all the branches of engineering are covered in this PhD topics. You can choose any one. Electronics and instrumentation engineering, it is also available for group A and group B. So now let us see what are the science. So there you can check all the departments of engineering topics are available. That is first, that is the civil engineering. Here let us see the beginning, it is the civil engineering, then the mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and then it is the computer science engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering. Okay, so there will be also the science. So in the science, that is the chemistry. You can check the topics in science, that is chemistry. It is also available for group A and group B. Physics, mathematics. So these are the science topic. You can check, it is for group A and group B. So now let us see the humanities and social sciences. So let us see the topics, group A and group B. Management studies, all the departments of management are available here. You can check this. So these are the topics on which the PhD admissions will take place. So all the departments, both group A and group B category, can apply. Now let us see what is the group A and group B. So there will be two groups for the admission into PhD program. So what will be the group A? It is a regular category who may receive fellowship from the MOE, CSIR, UGC, or any recognized funding agency. So basically it is a regular category who will receive the funding or the fellowship to do the PhD program. But it is in the B, that is the group B PhD, so no financial assistance or stipend by the NIT Silchar will be provided for this group. Okay, so this is for the two, as you can see, the two groups, group A and group B. So group A is available with the funding, group B it is not available with any funding. So let us see what is the group A category in details. Research fellowship is available to the scholars who are admitted into PhD programs in different departments subject to availability as per the stipulated by the Ministry of Human Resource Department. The award and renewal of fellowship as per the guidelines issued by the MOE time to time. In case of the students who secured a new job or otherwise wish to move outside the institute and the end their doctoral program prematurely need to refund any scholarship refund. So if you are moving or not continuing the PhD further, so you'll have to refund the sponsorship amount to the institute. So what will be the eligibility for group A? Student admissions into the PhD program in engineering department must satisfy the following criteria. So you need to have ME or MTech or equivalent with GATE NEAT qualifications in any appropriate area with a minimum of CPI of 6.5. It is a CGPA, basically it is the percentage on 10.5. Sorry, it is on 6.5 on the scale of 10 or equivalent to 60% mark. For SCST minimum of it is 6. CPI or CGPA it is 6. So B or BTech with an equivalent academic record with a valid GATE score with a CPA of at least 8 on the 10 rating scale or equivalent to 7.75. For the graduates from IIT, NIT, the minimum CPI requirement is 7 on scale 10, or SCST, the relaxation of 0.5. That means on 6.5 it will be. So student admission for into the PhD program in the science department must have their master degree in the relevant discipline with a valid GATE, UGC, CSIR, NBHM, NED score. You need to have a GATE, UGC, CSIR, NBHM, NED score to admission into the PhD in science department. So the CGPA here is also 6.5. SCST it is 6 with a valid GATE, UGC, CSIR this course. So student admission for the PhD in the Masters in Management Studies. The departments must have a master degree in Business Management Administration, master's degree in Electrical Engineering with a minimum CPI of 6.5 or equivalent to 60%, or master's degree in other disciplines with a minimum CPI of 6.5 or equivalent to 60%. SCST that is 6. So student admissions into the PhD program in Humanities and Science, Social Science. So it will be the same with a CGPA of 6.5 and master's degree for SCST it is 6. So you can check the details. A score into the NET GATE UGC is required for all the categories. So the candidates aspiring for the final year, if you are pursuing your ME or MTech or MSc, MBA or MA can apply if you are appearing your final exam. However, the final result must be. So the candidates applying for the final year can apply, but the final result must be published on or before the publication of the provisional selection list. So group B, I can see there is no financial assistance. We have already discussed for it the details. So it will be the sponsored who are employed in a central government department, PSU, reputed education institute, research organizations, reputed industry for doing research in the institute for the full-time basis. He or she should have at least 2 years of work experience in the respective field. So along with this, you need to also provide your sponsorship letter from the employer with the applications admissions. So part-time also it is available. So you can check all the details about group A and group B. It is like the same. So how you need to put your applications? So there will be an admission link. In this link you need to apply. I'll put this link in the description. You can check it. An application fee of 500 is for general or OBC, and 250 for SC and ST. So there will be the application process. onlinesbi.com, that is State Bank of India. Collect, SB Collect, accept and proceed. State Institute, that is Assam. Type of institute, educational institute. Educational institute name, select the fee collection account, NIT Silchar. Submit, pay the application fee of PhD admission fee, that's 2021. Fill the requirements, information and submit. So basically you need to visit the online SBI account for the payment. So like this process, you will find this link, application fee for the PhD admission for the NIT Silchar, and then pay. The payment reference number and the date of the payment to be mentioned in the online application form. Otherwise, the application will be cancelled. So application must upload in the relevant documents along with self-attested documents you need to upload. So the final PDF copy and the application form to be emailed to the PhD admission underscore 2021 at the rate nits.ac.in. So here is the email ID. You need to send the PDF application with a copy of before 2nd July. Okay. So the subject line should be applications for PhD program. Group A or Group B, you need to mention. You need to send the hard copy of the application form also. Last date of submission application, it is 2nd July, and the list of shortlisted candidate which will be uploaded till 9 July. So these are the details of this notifications. You can check all the other informations. I'll put this link into the description. You can check the details. So if you like this information, please like this video so that we'll get motivated, and please subscribe this video to your friends, relatives, your colleagues, so that they will be also get the information. And please subscribe our channel so that in future we are putting many information videos, and also press the bell icon to get the details. And please visit our social media pages so that you will find all the details and notifications. You'll find the social media handles in our description of this video. Thank you very much.